Hi everyone, it's Chris at Gardening Express here. I'm back in the bulbs showing you some wonderful hyacinths surrounded by a sea of them. We're at the end of the season now for these in April, right at the end. Potted bulbs on full bloom. You've got pink hyacinth, the blue, got a wonderful, nice, clean, crisp white one here, all on full bloom. So we've been selling these for a few months. They come to you normally with short buds on them and then they erupt into this display of flowers. Real vibrant. Tremendous fragrance. You can keep the little pots indoors if you want. One of these would just perfume a whole room in your house. They're magnificent. The bees are buzzing around, they love it as well. Perfect for early pollinators if you're concerned about the wildlife. Really nice plants. Don't have to buy them potted, you can buy bulbs in the autumn that we sell as well. If you didn't do that, we've got them potted like this all the way through from sort of late winter right through to now. We're at the end of the season now, that's why they're all on full flower. But this is what you can have in your garden if you an early bird and buy them quick enough.